Where them grudge youths them for? True them can't present none of this. Where them grudge youths them for? True them not have none of this. Where them grudge youths them for? Them not like see the school youth them progress. Where them grudge youths them for? Cause them not have none of this. Them they have a high school leaving certificate. See it there? Ah, then high school leaving certificate. See it there? Me not have the Queen's one. And if I stop fight education, them say education is the key to success. Not because we never achieve none. We don't want to come out and fight education. And when we don't fight education, we go on like say, I'm not education, we not fight. You understand? Because if my enemy fear do something good in my eyesight, and in general, anybody else's eyesight, not because I'm an enemy, me I go beat it down. You understand? And what this woman 99 I do, she's no enemy to none of Uno. Uno is more like her enemy. Because of Uno make herself be an enemy. You understand? Yeah man. Speak my mind people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. You know? I don't know what do they do. Like, share and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please remember to watch the ads. And people, thank you. Big up on yourself. All who go over the backup channel and help me reach that 1,000 subscriber. Thank you. It not stop right there. So just continue to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Don't hear me telling you already, we're going to go on with the live streaming or the video taping and release of the video on the same day of Miss Richie church service. And as I say, it not stop there, so because the watch hours is 4,000. So I need to watch a video them. You understand? And I think I only have up till November. Because the watch hours that accumulate already. If November come and I don't get that 4,000, I'm going to lose the present watch hours. I have to start over fresh again, because you only maintain that watch hours for 365 days of the year. And the channel start last November. You understand? And right now I have like 1,200 and odd. So you know me have a little way to go. So only just watch a video them, share the video them, and help the channel to grow. And I don't know the whole thing about the channel. So let me get back to what I say. I come across a video with Marcia Campbell. Yeah. I'm going to be nice tonight. Yes, I'm going to be nice. I'm going to address her by her name. I might not call the full name out again, but I might address her just by Marcia, just to be nice. You know, sometimes we have to be nice. That don't mean we have to eat rice or so to be nice, but we just have to be nice. Where the video, she comes out swinging at the latest Jamaica, or the latest JA, whichever I want to put it. And after comes out swinging at the latest, well, the latest have been carrying a few of Marcia's stuff. Remember, I'm going to be nice. Of Marcia's stuff, dissecting her videos, you know, analyzing what she have been doing and stuff like that. The latest is not the only person doing that. Almost everybody do it. But because Marcia have it said this girl is of a young age, probably she feel more or less she can bully the little girl, because based on how she talk, that's how she sound. Because me hear she go say, in the same video, yeah, we should know me not go play everything and dissect everything. Me is almost 20 odd years older than you. Who is you? Who you ramp with? You can't come try match up with me. You wait, man. You wait. But you feel away. You wait, man. I go and I make you stop. You understand? So she figure more or less because the girl is at a tender age. She can't bully the girl when there's other people, me and one heap other more people. Where how she come at the latest, in each time she come on a video, She don't normally come at nobody else. So. But the mindset what she have about the age of the latest, she feel like she have the latest ticket. But this is not what I am here about. But try that start the video. But Marcia start this video. Bob Marley have a song when, I think when selectors have played a song there. And even we as the audience, them call it, what them call the song again, man? Like them would have say, slow. We soon tell you what them call the song. I don't quite remember how the selector them would have intro the song. But the song is a song, it starts slow. It starts slow. And the selector say, look down the road. See Baba come there. Look down the road. Look down the road. Yeah, see him there, him reach now. Him reach now because the song I build up the tempo. Who know that song there? Hear it now. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. And if you listen carefully, now you will hear. You know that song there? Right. I see him when Marcia start the video. Pan the latest till she come up and she come up and she come up and she come up to which part she want to reach. She hit a part of which part she want to reach and then she go back on the latest. I don't know if it's a comment. It sound like it would have want to sound like a comment. Come up in her on her page and she read the comment and depend. Don't call a woman the name over here. Why you call a woman the name over here? Don't come on my page and put up a woman the name. How that woman they come in at this? This is how I want to stay now. I want to insert people. And before that comment come up, she was the one who inserted the woman. By started, as me say, she rise the tempo, rise a conversation about Selonie. You understand? And with rising that conversation, left off of the latest and rise the conversation about Selonie, it was all about Donna. She a shade. And I pretend like we're all idiots out here. So when that person that commented in the comment section, she was making it look like we are insert that woman the name over here for. I'm not put that woman name on my page. Oh, she coming at this. You jagger in it. And it was so accepted by her that she just get the opportunity to rise the tempo way up here so to start bell out about the whole donation of the money will come for the little girl who got law school. Now, people, I'm going to start the video just as how you hear me attack it. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Speak my mind, people. If you listen carefully, now you will hear. Listen, Marcia.
You have a problem. Me never know. Oh, you have a problem because I go down a building. Oh, me never know say me is not American citizen. And me never know say me can't walk in any government building. I did not know that. I didn't know. Me never know say me commit crime in America. Cause last time me got airport and me never see them call me out. Me go right through security. Right through security, honey. Me not even have it up in a line. Me go in a different line, honey. You understand? So you don't have to worry about me. I am checked by the FBI, honey. FBI, I am well checked and know who me is in the computer. And them don't know me as a bully or a therapist. When I go to airport, I go straight into line that I pay for and thoroughly checked. Bitch. And that if you know. When I go through airport, I go through special line, motherfucker. Yes. So me want to know I go because and that the only way I forget you have to thoroughly check. You understand? And pay for that. Me pay money for that. So them can't check me. So me not have to go through no sitting figure go turn up and spin around. Me go through special line and me pay for that. Bitch. Latest you me talking to. You bleach out bitch. You me talking to.
Marcia, you always come on social media. You know, I try to prove to the people them say you're top notch. You're top notch. You're top of Norris. You live big. But there is no evidence to prove that you're living big. With this whole FBI saga we are talking about, mother say not gonna FBI neither. FBI now no time for them your social media case here, man. FBI now have no time for them your social media case here. So what you got FBI gonna do now? And I go talk about them know your page and them have all of your page and them watch your page. Then if FBI watch all of your page, have all of your page and watch your content, and you have not removed nothing from your pages, which if FBI is doing an intelligent investigation, they are going to also correspond with your providers for your social media pages. So anything you delete, them are going to want to see it too. Because you're not going to hide no evidence. If you try to carry down somebody and make it look like you're a good person. So basically, if FBI go do all of that, if you go to FBI, you don't feel like you're going to get wind up. You're going to get wind up. The amount of you bully people on social media. You understand? The amount of carry on you're going with on social media. Even now that you say FBI have all of your pages and them are watching now as what you say in that same video clip here. Them see the type of person you is. So would FBI want to waste time to investigate a social media matter with somebody like you? Eh? Tell me the honest truth. It just coming like, you know. You have a man, him one of the most wanted man. For how much, you know, shut eye and all kind of R and breaking and all kind of sitting on, you know? Yes. And him get lit down out the road. Yes, the police just come and do them job. Because that's a professional way of doing them job. Not because them come and them here say a Harry or a Tony or a Master Joe. Oh, him, them are going to just treat it like he's not a normal citizen also. Them are going to treat it like a normal citizen. But the investigation, nah go nowhere. It's not going nowhere. The law enforcement are going to say, boy, you know, yes man, them boy make our work easier. Them fine you before me fine you. Yeah. You understand? So it's just like you know, when FBI run your file and check your page, as well you say them have your page, me a quote off of you, you know. When they look on your behavior, no investigation now go on. Alright? So leave that alone. The next thing with your Marcia, before I play any further. Me see a little thing happen one day, which me as me say now. I already think myself a picnic and parents and family member when I have nothing to do with phone. It's all about me and you. Not my relative and my kids. So me not really join that something there and violence. Anything me have to say to you about on the phone, me just say it. In a real life, if you step up to me and me have to give you ha, you get that. You understand? Or if you have to get 2 big stone and 2 buckle, you get that. And if anything for added, you get that. But in a phone, me chat and me done and you chat and me gone and me done. Me not infested in a phone like Uno. So violence and pitney and family we stay out of phone. But if you come for me pitney or you come for me family, me gonna come out back for your own. Because me not in regards to your own now. And if you bring violence to me, I'm gonna bring violence back to you. You understand? You know what you can do. Me worse I know what me can do. Alright. So when you're in a phone and you deal with people, relative, and you call them all kind of something, just like how even this your girl you know, Shanae, where you say she can't go do this and she can't go sell this and she can't go sell that in the video and enough of them can't go do this, and you've been nickel the people them. Not because most time when you talk, you're not talking you're not talking specifically to that individual there. You just make a general talk. You still talk about human being who have a mother, a father, and have a relative. You understand? So if people comes out and come out at your relative and your grandpitney and your pitney, you're not supposed to have a problem. Yeah man, you're not supposed to have a problem. But people, As me say further, you go hear her now, insert 99, but it's when the woman type on the screen, further down in the video, she asks where the woman insert 99 and so far. Listen, if I know she insert 99, this is an early part of the video, you know, to where me I go play further down.
Wants to come on social media and tell people her story. And if God wants her to get something, she gets something. It's just simple as that. And them the people who have to spend money upon. People who are highlighted and people who are doing good things in here. There's people out there who are volunteer. You know, hear nothing about her characteristic from the college, who she is, if she come a class often, or how she come, or what kind of grade she getting, if she work to no time or money, or how often she come, what is her average grade that she gets, if he invest too much money in her. Please.
Why the people their money is always on a problem? When it not cost only nothing. Why it be a burden to uno? Oh, you know all of the way they do or not do. Where the concern? Eh? Only just eat for see people money or only just eat for know say uno not have the opportunity to do this way this woman I do. Which one of them?
And when people come on social media and just talk certain things, you're not ready to come get upset. But you not see that. You only a boast. My Coco, behave yourself. My auntie just did so and so. My auntie just did so and so. Only not even to highlight the donors them. I say God bless you donors. You are really some good people. Only me alone do them sort of something there. But just praise the woman, and she not put one blood clot 1 cent in it. I didn't do one as them on for praise.
So, Dana 20,000 when she say she get no money. How much you put? You have not the first red cent to put. Guy, if you pay you cost yourself to pay $300 for a parking violation in a way you live. Me can't live somewhere and nobody come. That's why I have to love Jamaica or not talk about third world country. You understand? Who could have come give me a ticket now for park on my gate? I'm in a black road. And which part you live? And a black road or a cause of traffic violation. And you pay $300 your ball all day. Good thing YouTube money it come through for you 2 days after. So then a 20,000 account. And where donor is concerned, every day on the compound phone, as me say, I want to tell these blatant lies. Blatant lies. Because everybody when me see get donation, we're sensible people. Probably the people them are not too sensible, like Mr. Bass's son and them, something there, and you know, and probably who is the caregiver we are collect the money. We are going to speak, always give thanks. You understand? But what? You don't like here when Dana name a big up. Without Dana platform, it wouldn't happen. Without Dana platform, generate these donors to have trust in her, it wouldn't happen. How much I need a platform before, like all you, we have decade and a half in a phone. We can't go upon your live and do something like this. It a no. Your friend them cross the fence. We have platform, we can't do nothing like this, but behind doors, them did I do some little peace charity and I take people their money. And not done a cast it, make it tap. You understand? People just say real and true people and take on to them. People want to see where them hard earned money are go. Whether them are clean filth, whether them are clean road, whether them are wash car. We want to always come and try if we don't grade the people them. Oh, no for them I send money to them family. A yard suffer and hungry. Yes, some of them are there yard they are dead for hungry. Because them ungrateful and greedy. Cannot cure the people them send $1 for them and send another $1 for do something them take the people them $2. So some of them for dead for hungry. Because them penny wise and them pound foolish. You can't sure $100 every month. If you just take a money and go pay some bills to one house where somebody have a friend or your relative. But when the people them are send you 100 so you go do what you do for me, you start going at the people them money. Which that $100 is a lifetime $100 as long as you are do what you do and be honest and the people them they are foreign. But what? You thief 300 and lock up 12 months worth of $100, which is 1,200, just the 300, penny wise and pound foolish. So enough of them are yard for dead, for hungry.
Come and speak about the donors. The donors, them want praise too. Come out and speak about the donors. I said, donors, I have to tell you, for doing such a wonderful job. God bless you. Wanna really come through for this girl.
Donors is tired of hearing
donors
that.
them none at all.
Well, lie.
That is one thing difference between me. I acknowledge people. She don't. You understand? Taking all the glory for yourself from God.
The two first person Dana always a tell recipient for big up. The first, big up God. And big up the donors. Come tell the donors them what you want, tell them. What more you want to hear, Marcia? Because I said I'm going to be nice tonight. What more you want to hear, Marcia? Come tell the donors them what you want to tell them. Want big up all of the donors them and big up member Father God. Sometimes Dana in the background depend. Those are the two main person. Me never hear Dana tell nobody for big her up yet. She always say big up Father God and the donors them. But only just want content, so only come tell blatant lie. And only just want have nigga stick this woman for what reason I don't know. We not go like we was a acupuncture specialist. So no want nigga for just stick the woman and stick the woman and stick the woman.
Oh, nobody now ask about Selonie. Where is Selonie? Why me couldn't go for one campaign? I ask where is Selonie? Who no like her? Oh, nobody not concerned about Selonie. Where is Selonie? Eh? That is what the blogger them supposed to talk about. Where is Selonie, the woman who used to come on social media and I want to use her video and make thousands of views? Eh? We must do a campaign. Where is Selonie? Until she come back out. We don't have to put the pressure upon the people them. And them restrict Selonie from coming out and talking on videos. The woman is living under restriction. Where is the woman? Anybody see her? Huh? What make the woman who come on social media come make fear page get the biggest view ever at all time?
The woman will come on social media, that is Selonie, come make our page get the biggest view of all times. Who think she attack? Here she already insert AD from earlier on. Here I insert her again, you know. Where is Selonie, the woman, will come make her get the biggest view on social media? Who she attack? Come no man, don't talk to me no man. Go in the comment section and tell me. Can't talk to me I know, because video I do. 99. But here still when the woman comment further down in the video, she asks why the woman come and type that name over here. I saw her come and insert people. One more insert the woman insert than what you are do. It's a sensible woman depend the live and know say Dana you throw your shades and your wood offer. That's why the woman type that.
Times. And bring in some of the biggest money in our charity work. Where is Selonie?
Here.
Dash the woman away so.
I'm bringing some of the biggest money in our charity work. So let me ask a question now. Dana have do away with Selonie 1, 2, 3, 4 many times. Get back many times. Get back many times. Dana has finally break ties with Selonie to a certain level where she come and she talk every day. She loves Selonie, but you know that if she come and she want like a food, she will make she have it and whatsoever. How much time Selonie break ties with Dana, even the first time, and people take her up, build page gear, influence her to talk all kind of things about Dana. You know where they are foreign and a friend them send how much money to come gear because you know so she have a money problem. You understand? She have a little money artistic thing about her. So you send the money come and then send the money come, force her to say things and make she talk things pertaining to 99. You take it, run with it, vlog it, blog it, sag it. You understand? She have her page with all of these people behind her in the background and tell her what to say. Yes, say Dana this. Yes, say this, say that. And disrespect people. Where is all those people now? Where were they before she get the house? When the rat and roach a bite up the clothes, them and a bite them up in a bed and them in a little shackle. Where were they before and after? Nowhere to be found. You understand? It's not like Selonie was up with Dana and now you know see Dana. Selonie. So you can ask a question. Where she there? Where she there? Dana and Selonie separate long time. You understand? Why you are so interested about Selonie? Why you not draw out some of the people where you and your crony them have on at the bed and mountain if you are all over in a people's yard or listen to them pieces and know them business carry to you. If you go investigate what happened to Selonie. Why you not do that? Send a money come pay somebody if you go investigate about Selonie since you love her so much.
Concerned about her. Only don't concern about the woman. Nobody hear from Selonie as far as I'm concerned. Nobody no see a video now.
If Selonie and the family them not concerned about her, why stranger be concerned about her? And when stranger did a concern about her, the people them we no mean her no good, we turn her an idiot like all some of you know, we use money and be nickel the woman. You understand? And use the woman because of money for the bullshit and bull crap. What you know they know? Why you not call upon them? The woman where you are throw shades after has done enough for Selonie with her platform. Take up the mantle now and use your platform. You're a 15-year veteran. You understand? You have so much slash to your name. Use your name, man, and help her now, man.
Phone call. Where is she? Only not care about her. Why me couldn't start why me couldn't don't start give out a little shout out. I like her. I remember the first time she met me. She looked at me and said, I like you. I mean I ride with nobody but you. And she come when we are going to dinner at Wochi. The first time I go to what me see her more than a few times. And when she hears she a guy dinner, she said me not ride with nobody but you. And when I go down there for pick up people for carry God dinner at Ochi, Selonie, from me pull up Selonie, take his seat in her back and it wasn't moving. She wasn't moving on my vehicle, she come in, come sit down. And she said she not moving. She not driving with nobody but me. You understand? And me carry her go and carry her come back.
So if so be the case and you love her and she love you and she this and that, invest a little $200 now, send come a yard. Give a man 100 and say, boy, go check out Selonie for me now. And give me a video call and make me talk to her and find out what is what. But I know that you want. You want to hear the worst of the worst. Because the big rumor we are going around how long now, say bad man take over house and then put out Selonie and Ray. And that's what you want to get at. It's not all about interested in a Selonie welfare or health. And the negative you want to hear about Selonie. You know, if you cast the judgment upon 99. We don't hear that. Marcia, we're not eat. Remember, I'm going to be nice. Marcia. Address you by your name. Marcia. Okay? Yes. So, we don't hear that. We want to listen. There's somebody on our life where type says Selonie is okay. You understand? And she send groceries for Selonie every month. Marcia don't want to hear that, you know. Marcia want to hear the negative. So now listen.
I talked to her on the phone and said me get, if she get the grocery. That is my question to you. You see you send groceries for her every month. Okay, yes. So you see so that's why you come over here and cuss me all the time. I say me I tell lie or whatever me whatever it is. They really say cuss, but you say you speak to her. So can you call her up on the phone and ask her if she alright?
She don't want to hear that. A negative she want to hear.
Selonie only have her sugar issue. Then why she can't come on social media? She loves social media. She have all her fans here. Why she can't come? Them silent her. Selonie love her phone.
Most times Selonie come on phone and I'm she in her kitchen and cook or she out her gate. The other time them a people boots her if you come on phone to say things and tell her what to say. You understand? You are going to say Selonie make 99 get how much followers and how much views when time she left on the page and Ray and she have her there. So why when Selonie break ties and they over and make her page and have her page, she never have this vast amount of followers? Why she never have this vast amount of supporters? If she's the one who are carrying AD and not AD a carry she. Yes, she may love by a lot of the plankers. Me not gonna say nay about that. But only just don't want to give credit where credit is due. Wanna make it look like Selonie is the person where make AD life can go at 5,000, 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. You understand? Me hear no phone what they from what they are talking about. No see our views drop and I this or that. Everybody views dropping on social media, you know. Because I can testify for this. In a corona, me used to sit down and watch Love and night and day. I couldn't write until from him start until him done. And I can't tell when I sit down and I watch a chat and laugh. Couple times when I go to boom and click and see, and within a minute me jump off. Not to mention now me have my own social media platform to deal with. And you know it take time sometimes. You understand? There's a lot more rapper crapper where I want them to inspire me. You understand? Which is rapper crapper, as me say, make me get to know about 99. You understand? So now when corona everybody bugged in them house now nothing to do, them find something to do. Now everybody gone back to square one. The little corner shop where you see in a yard, in a corona, I make a bag of money. Because man just jump a fence, I run out of female, I run to the shop and him get served. The regular mainstream shop, them have to lock up. So the corner shop used to make a bag of money. The corner restaurant, the house restaurant used to make a bag of money. Snack shop used to make a bag of money. But now, corona done, the place open up back. Everybody have choice. So the corner shop a ball, the home shop a ball, the corner snack shop, house restaurant, all of them they are ball now because the whole of the mainstream them open back now, so everybody have choice and can move about. So when you now come and talk about views drop, everybody will did again certain views in a corona time. Now again it again. Remember everybody gone back to work, the place free up. Who never did that can go hustle and if you depend social media watch because you don't know TV is nothing at all. Social media you have many different choices. Everybody now gone back and hustle.
She love her phone. So why she can't come on her live? So me accept her. Why she can't come on her live? I speak Joseph on a regular. And you are here to testify that she's still living at the house anyway. And you see her and you call her for a video camera. And she said she's up in the house.
Negative she want here. She want here say Batman take over the house. Still wanna leave her road.
Yeah? May I ask you a question? Not really say cuss, but you come over here and argue and defend them. What I'm trying to say to you, since as you say send something for her.
And the truth, you don't want to hear the
call
truth.
her on a video camera for see her? Nobody's...
Send her money come a yard, invest her money, you love her and say she love you. Because we don't go a country down a lobster day by you, she say she a drive it and whatsoever. Invest 1-2 bills now. And do some investigation about her and make somebody call her video call. If you want to know what go on with her. Why every bongo who don't want to throw it upon 99? Eh? Why every bongo who don't want to throw it upon this woman who you don't like? Who you can't do nothing good in her life? I just she for do everything and then all when she do the good and not crucify her?
But the woman, eh? Me don't understand. So what is it that people are putting on my head?
Yeah, say them put her out of the house and a gunman live in there. That them a put in your head.
Me ask you please to remove that name from my page. Because we're talking about Selonie. How she coming at this? Me want to know how she coming at this. They really eat whatever. I mean, how she coming at this so we only ask where Selonie there? Eh? I don't understand, you know, things like this is what when you come up on social media always insert people in things where we don't cater nothing about she. We are concerned about Selonie.
So, if the same Selonie argument here, so, who you chose shades off if you go look for her and check for her? When you say, the Selonie, we used to make them page, we have how much thousand followers and viewers and who you insert? No 99 year insert. Eh? At 2 times before now the woman said this, you know, hear me point it out earlier. You insert 99, you know. You might not call her name, but we no idiot over here. We no say we dunce, but we smart. You understand? We street smart, we dunce, but we street smart. We can read between lines. We can see through the darkness. Remember that.
Here. Well, that's what we're talking about. Yeah, I mean, come on. People are no idiot. People are no idiot. You can't, you see it done with charity. And every time you help somebody, once somebody else come in, listen to me. Money pay at school and money pay in a fucking school nothing. When camera turn off, the money can't take her back. The school and everybody else can.
I want to listen. You see, as I tell you, the woman typed the name about AD, whatever, 19, whatever, Dana, whatever name the woman type. She asked the woman why she insert the woman name while she was already inserting Dana. Not by calling her name, but we are not idiot. Who for play, so you need to go and go on them page and make them have views, as what she has said. No 99. Eh? And the accusation before, no 99. So why now you going to ask the woman that? And right after you don't address the woman, see it now, you gone on the donation. The people, their money are worrying you. You never anger so much money in your life one time and it a worry you. Continue to listen, people.
Alliance with everything. But money in peer school. Let me tell you something. The bumble clock money, first of all, the money not supposed to, no school and no college. No college is accepting no cash. You're supposed to have a check like those to give to school. Get the fuck out of here, people.
Them not like education.
When you're giving school money,
like
that money is supposed to take to the bank
never go to school
and turn it into a check. Right out to the University of the West Indies. You can't carry it to no go give to the college man up there, to the professor.
I ask you a question now. So sometimes that's why sometimes from why they come like me them no vibes do no video, you know, because when I sit down and me listen on, you know, it come like I couldn't just want my heart swell and me just cry and just want soon, you know, man. You understand? You live a foreign how much years? You have never been to a school in Jamaica, much less a college. Basic, primary, secondary, high school, much less a college. Not even a community college. And you left Jamaica from as a toddler. What you know about Jamaica and college? What you know about the college policies in Jamaica? Who you send at college at Jamaica? Who you have at Jamaica go to college? Because with all we are going on education and talk about, me never hear jump up and say, okay, I have a cousin that I go to college to the university in Jamaica, or I have a cousin or a niece in Jamaica what I am contributing to send to college. Me never hear that yet. So basically you don't know nothing about the college system of Jamaica. So all you know about the college system policy of payment. Eh? Why they have an administration office that has a cashier? Where them cash? On the paper? A paper alone them take? A documents alone the cashier take? Why would they have an established cashier if them not take cash? Yes, so you go like on a smart, but not smart. The colleges has an administrative office and they have the cash, a legitimate cashier. When you go out the window, you say cashier. How them cash? Paper? And no money them cash. When they are foreign how much years and don't know nothing about Jamaica and come and go and like you don't want to use things in a Jamaica to carry down people who don't know nothing about and not even foreign one of them never go to one college.
And the head one. And that money can be spent and the girl can and it can go to the head department or wherever it is. Going.
Earlier on in the year, I said how she style people in general. Not probably in even the girl she style her as gal and this and that as me say. And the professor and Halu. So I want to know all these people, are they human beings? Are these people another woman and another man child? So why when people comes out at you, your family, your son or your grandson, you have a problem? Remember, it's reading for me. But if you're going to come out at people, relative and families, son, grandpitney and whatsoever, me hear you say you never come out against a pitney yet on one recent live. When you come out against Joshy in a probably about month and I got 2 months now. Joshy a big somebody. Joshy and you in a phone? Eh? And if you come out at him, whichever way you come out, you insert a child into adult business where him not have no affair in a. And there is so many other pitney, you did insert the woman pitney them America. You don't know how them have house because them can't work for buy house so quick and rare and them to investigate this and them to investigate that. So basically nobody must have nothing. People for just oatless like you, Marcia. Oh sorry, remember, I'm gonna be nice. People for just oatless like you, Marcia. People for just think the same way like, oh you think non-progressive element. Careless life. You understand? You just run to here, there and everywhere and buy a crab leg and buy a lobster and you go up on a cruise and you this and you that. Nothing of substance, nothing with foundation. That when you get old, you can't live off if you have to rent one room. Out of your 2-bedroom where you build up. Sleep in a one, catch up in a one and rent one. So you know say if I have your food money that can bring you in. And you can put on a little medical sitting if you feel a prescription or if you got a doctor. You sit down and expect to live off a US government. So you want people to sit down and live off a Jamaican and US government and Canadian government and English government and Caribbean government, if whichever way the person come from. Two, them not think like you, them have a wider mind. You know like see that, you know like see progress. Is nobody make you never see progress in your early days. Your progress is the flash. Other people progress is to see substance. Because we are not going to be this person all the day of our life. Remember, we're getting older and older. And no care you eat right, no care you exercise, no care what you do. Your body is not going to be the same. Your health is not going to be the same. Eating right and exercise and stuff like that might just make you live a little longer. And be a little stronger the older you get. But we're not going to be the same, so we have to prepare for it. We can't allow people to prepare for us. We have to prepare for ourselves once the opportunity is there. And you get more than opportunity because you have boast about your opportunity. You boast about your first world country and everything. So it's not like you don't get opportunity.
A different thing. So you know college run? I pay a scamming work that college to get the fuck out of here. People who don't understand nothing. You understand? Let me make it clear. There is faculty, there is staff, there the college educator them up there. Let me tell you something about college people, because I'm an idiot. You have the big boss them up there, and the big boss them have ways of getting money. Certain money.
Listener ridicule the people them, you know. Listener disrespecting the people them. Casting judgment and all kind of things of the people them. You know, listener, these are the type of people who say them are elder. You understand, them a social media influencer. A fight against, look. See where them a fight against, yeah? See that? Education. Them not have a certificate. Them don't have a school leaving certificate. You understand? And if you left Jamaica without a school leaving certificate and go America, especially so young, you should have one. Because education in America, you know it go. Worse if you're an American. Okay. This them a fight against.
Go to them, to pay them, certain money go to certain places. You carry $3 million worth of cash go up there now. You believe that it's going to like going to the college fee? No?
And I also want you to listen carefully. Listen carefully. Me know I'm not idiot, my people. One nation family. You are not idiot. You listen. She only stop short of saying it's a scam. You understand? So listener.
It a go in at the headmaster one bank account. And when the camera shut off, it can college College is one of the biggest scam you can think about, especially when it comes to Jamaica.
You hear her? When the camera shut off.
Eh? Yes, $3 million. And you think say no say cut of that now going somewhere else.
Bun you in?
Eh? You think say cut of that. Some of them they are selling a pussy to pretty professor them to get money. Some of them pick me up there, them sell it.
Where all of this will lead to now. If you come and you want to put a point across about the whole issue of the whole of the money paying over, you know, put it across, where all of this are come from. And these are the people who sit down on them page and listen night and day. These are the people who say them elevate their influencers. You understand?
Them behind up at college. Some of them professor here, some of them something there, they write it out. Once them go down and tell the secretary say, listen, put such in here and then go sleep with them. And only for things that go on at the college them around the world. Especially third world country.
So, me never know say the professor or him own the college. I never know. Yes, we know we have hanky panky. We know that. We know we have fraud that goes along. But oh, you're talking, it's like you're just talking these individuals now. You understand? There's an audit that run at all these places. Why you think most time them find out when fraud are going? Because when auditor run, you don't know who are the auditor. Auditor and professor are no friend. Auditor and cashier and administration are no friend. Them just call in an auditor and the auditor come. And auditor, when the auditor come and auditor and them find him come, them say 5, 6, 7, 10 million missing. All who responsible for that area will be investigated. So all the way you try to bring to the public is nonsense. You're just trying to say all that money that give over is a scam, it's a general ship. The money I play like them smart because college don't take cash. You go to the bank and this, as me say, me ask, where the cashier for? If I pay upon documents, the cashier collect.
I pay a Batman business I go on. Both they go sleep with them. They go take them and carry a hotel and go sleep with the student them. And because we don't know what they're asking.
Yeah, you should binnacle. The pitney them. A binnacle you call this, you know. And disrespect and style you call other people kids, you know. But if you come back out tomorrow morning now and talk about her son and say this is why probably him never go to college because the first week him go to college XYZ it happened. It being a big commotion on social media. Because she never comes out specifically and said, okay, Tony's son, Harry's son, oh, you Master John over there, so then do this to your college. You're talking about people, kids in general. You understand? And for somebody who say he's a mother and a grandmother should not be talking like this. A 15-year veteran in social media shouldn't be talking like this. But I want people follow and sit down and listen and so I want to entertain them. Entertain me with what? Crap? To lead me to be somebody just like you? So how the world I go better? If the generation after you I go come follow you, or the same thing will happen years and years after. Because every generation come and go follow them one another. And all the way you are do is negative. So them will come to negative. So how it will work out? We not going to have no positive in the world at no times. You understand? With people like you, Marcia, yeah, I'm going to be nice.
Strike. And they don't pay one ras. And they go there with the young college student and big old man there and take and about money. Oh, please. I mean, if you tell you no. Spirit not tell me nothing more, because me can't tell you no. The amount of rendezvous we are going with young boys. With pretty young boys and then go and then get in we and graduate in a college and something, please. But money hand over to college. Hand over to us college, my bumbo. Then hand over college.
So wait there. So wait there, man.
Something you know what? If you win and go big money, you have to go hand it over to college same time. What make you never go in a girl bank account? And then she pay as she go. She know if she'll live to graduate for the 4 years. You tell me that for us. Then it's a time, young time, the blood clot fool. So me no go hand over $3 million to college. And suppose me have 2-3 years to go. So what me never hand it to a girl, make a girl put in a fair bank account and pay as she go.
Yeah. And when she earn it in her bank account now, you tell her friend them over there. Say, see it? Normally she got pay the one down in Manchester and she got pay the one up at Edamandi. So why she give this girl a fair $3 million? Because I share them, I go share it. I plan them plan. And in fact this what she do in general. At the same thing we not go say. She take back the money off camera. Can you hear her say camera raw. That simple mean you're trying to say when camera shut off a different thing. You go say why pay the whole of the money? Where the money come from? Nothing pay. So if the girl pay even the $1.5 million and something if it happen to her during the semester, you understand? Whether 2 weeks after or 3 weeks after, where the difference is she pay everything and something happen? Where the difference? The money never come for go in a bank book.
Then nobody a blood clot idiot. So me a copy of college money. I mean know if me a live for 3-4 years. Eh? Me wouldn't want the rest money if go in and make my bank account myself.
Ready eye, you ready eye.
Eh? Suppose something happen and they kick out their college. They must refund the back our money and they must say Facebook money. They must tell you know that.
So what college have to do with Facebook money? Eh? Me never know said Facebook produce money. Like Facebook just come on for the screen or when you log in on Facebook, you just say, give me money, you get money. What you mean? How would them people you come from, man? You say why I don't have none of this? Look on this, Arden High School. One of the prominent high school in Jamaica. One of the best. See there? Ask about it because you might don't know about it. You see why you don't have school leaving education and no certificate or nothing? What that have to do for Facebook money?
They take to get back one little money out of college and refund. Then I will pussy clad to not chat to man saying a bummer clad idiot. Eh? You tell me no. If why would I go to charity go beg money and me no as a little pissing tail girl no or whatever if you go and take money like say me a ass pitney and carry all the money go get to college. Now me forget it. If you beg for me the money supposed to go into my account and I pay the tuition as I go. No so now.
I buy to no one come buy it off AD and when she take people money, when she collect for do a certain things and give it to people and probably them going to do otherwise with it. When you see one come buy it off her and them move. We know you're too good.
The people who don't want all their money go up to school, go turn over to school. Talk sense, ma. Listen to me. The intelligent people them over here. If you somebody collect money for you and say them will give it to you, you would have want to go take all the money and carry college one time and you don't know what can happen to you.
Because them are agree with you.
Sickness can come, trials and tribulation can come, and you if you go take care, you can't go to school every day.
So whether you pay the 1.5 million, sickness no can come as me say, tribulation and trials no can come. Where the difference? Where the money come for do? Pay for college.
Tell me the God mighty truth. Now you forget the money and put in your bank account and put it on one side. I even put it in one account and said this account is for the college and them draw as them go. No sound na do.
Ready,
You put in one account and said, listen, this is the account right here. You're locking some money in it and sitting. And then you say, okay then, when you want to take out the money, go into this account and take out the money. Me would have want the money for myself. You care all of the rest money go dash, go get college. Treat.
It only approve already on the ready eye. You can't stand this is so much money dash around on one table and when it done count off. Well you say 3 million. I think it estimated as 2.5 million. I don't know the final count. Because when it down in the woman business so much, I don't know like her. But I think it estimated as 2.5. You can't think to say 3, I don't sure. But I just ready over the people their money. And jealous how you have a platform for 15 years before this woman and can't do what she do. When you go and sick, you talk about you just done with one and the next one come and your friend them the partner she done with one, she take another one, she not give the people them no rest. People them are doing their money now cry. Because the good thing about it, it's not coming from one person's pocket. And most time that 2.5 million we donate, probably another 30 or 40 somebody will donate in that bunch. I might not donate to the next one, but the money still run and reach. And this is why I say Jamaica can be better in a sense where people like things like this can make Jamaica better. Everybody put $1 or $2 or $5. One person have to bear the burden. You put $100 like now burden you. For somebody who want 20,000, but if you find the 20,000, it might burden you. So if you put $1 and a man, put $1 and a man, put $100 and a man, put $50, it will better off a thing.
$1 million? And you believe that $3 million go towards the college? Eh? No, sir. It don't go all.
No, sir.
Listen to me, Ras.
Jealousy. Ready, aye.
Because I don't want to come on social media, come play idiot with people. And I want to see the truth, I want to not see the truth. Eh? Eh? Then I wish stupid people. The only people stupid are the people who come on social media cause people.
Now you that?
Because
you that?
in themselves too. They want to want nobody if you can collect money. And then you go take it now, carry go straight up a college, go get college. Eh? Someone say all. So if me so lucky in a life, if somebody to collect $3 million for me then. So kiss my ass, you could tell me now, say $3 million we collect for me. More than even one by one, could taste this patty out and 2% fried chicken yam. And am I blessing that? Eh? You could tell me, say, all if you go to college, me can't even get $1,000 out if you go to my fingernail.
Where the money come for? The money come for the fingernail and toe and buy TS's patty and KFC. The money not come for college. That was the purpose of the money. Educational purpose. To pay your college fee. You understand? And if she pay 1.5 and say 2.5 come, remember, I swear no, say this is not the only 1.5 she have to pay. If you go through her whole process, she have more to pay. So if the money come and she get 2.5, she can pay off this 1.5 and pay $1 million more. Come next year when she will find the next money, it's not easier for her. As what Dana do, encourage her, introduce her to social media, just like how she do with Urian. See, Urian a kind of benefit and can stand up on him foot from him social media page. Pretty scream this, that, and him look at YouTube money. To continue to help herself while she in her little work, we not call big work. You know what is big work, man? Working at the RGD as a normal person and a big work. Overall working with the government if you don't have certain degree and diploma. You don't feel like working with government in a certain office and this and that, a big work. The man who push and can't earn more than them. It's just that them now no pride. Them have too much pride. So them prefer going to the office.
Money, out of here? Get the fuck out of here. Huh? And this is a general statement.
Money come for education.
This is just talking. It's not about nobody when we say get the fuck out of here. I'm just speaking.
Eh? Me can't get the money out time for go buy a patty or Kentucky. Me feel dead for hungry. You know so much groceries she get after sugar Rushmore. Why you not talk about that? After school fee, pay 2 pointed or whatsoever, pay. You know, she should go a Rushmore and get how much groceries same way. We can't serve her for days. What did you contribute? Nothing at all.
Eh? Me, God to bless me with $3 million. And me can't even go buy a piece of KFC chicken out of it and 2 patty, tastes patty out of it. Eh, for name? All of the $3 million is controlled. It must go right up at the college to Hanover.
Then where it come for? Where it come for? Now that it come for?
Kiss me, Ross. Me no bother go beg. Me no bother.
None ambitious like you, man.
Eh?
You prefer chew 2 fingernail and taste his patty and I get for college.
I thought you were more intelligent. Where me say that? Who are you talking to?
Me not wrong do man for say that. Because he's a cruff.
Who are you talking to? You thought you were more intelligent. Who are you talking to?
You the woman attack, man. Because the woman sit down and listen to your reason for a big woman and she say he's a fool. You understand? And people sit down and listen to you. The money come for educational purpose. Remember, you know, when Dana get these money, you know, before she even go into it, you know, she tell the student them, you know, oh no, nah, get no money for you, no, and you know, everything will come, I go to the college. Everything I go to the college. You understand? If you could scrubble left, she might say, alright, hold this little bus here if you can go and come. And based on the nature of the person, hustling or whatsoever, she might say, all this can carry for another month or so to school, back and front, way. But you're not going to know, say, 3 million come and if you pay 2 million and you get the next million for your yard. No! We are getting the school the rest because you have other school term where you come up where you have to pay. And then I tell them that So you come and go and like say, it come and them never know of a fact, say them not go and get the money them and the money have to go to the school. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. And still, please remember the backup channel. Remember when I'm telling you about Miss Richie. If you don't know, go over there, go subscribe. You can't see the video or see the live, you have to subscribe to the channel if you see it. Alright, my people. At the first me do a video go 1 minute. I always try to make the video not go 1 minute. But big up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. I'm out. Love on all. One nation stands alone.